Hi you guys, I'm doing my highly requested banana nut muffin video, so let's get right into the goodness of banana nut muffins. You need flour, salt, baking powder, cinnamon, walnuts, and sugar, because duh, gotta be sweet. And you also need 2 bananas ready to be mashed, olive oil, vanilla extract, your favorite plant milk, and some apple cider vinegar. So now you gotta mash up the banana, add in all the wet ingredients, because I like to do that first so that they can all kind of sit in and soak in and kind of just blend together while I go and mix the dry ingredients, which you'll see a little bit later. And don't worry if you're not seeing exact numbers for everything. The link to the recipe is actually down below. So after you watch the video, click the link and the recipe will be right there, ready for you to make your own banana nut muffins. So now I'm adding the flour, the sugar, the cinnamon, the salt, the baking powder, and I'm just mixing all my dry ingredients. You want to mix them nice and thoroughly before you add in all the wet ingredients. Bam! Now it's time to mix all those together. Make sure you mix it really good. Scrape around the edges of your bowl and the bottom of the bowl because you want to get all the flour, everything all nice and mixed in together. And it should look something like that. Now you're going to take your third banana. You're going to have chopped it, put it in there. And this is where you also add in the walnuts, okay? And you add these at the end because you want to make sure you mix the batter good first and then just have these toppings on the inside. Now the walnuts are completely optional. If you're allergic to nuts, don't even worry about it because they still come out tasting delicious without them. Now you're going to fill up a lightly greased muffin pan. The pan that I use is just my old rinky-dink pan that I've had for like 10 years now. And I just use the coconut oil spray from Trader Joe's. That's my fave, but you can use whatever you like to grease your pan. Just make sure it's greased because then they'll easily pop right out when you're done. And then as an option, I like to crush up extra walnuts and put them on the top. Again, you don't have to do this, but I just like having that nice crunch when you bite into these banana nut muffins. So now we've all been waiting for it. Let's put these in the oven. And bam, just like that. No, just kidding. You're going to have to bake yours. So you guys, these are my lovely banana nut muffins. As you see, they look great and wonderful. Please like this video if you enjoy these cooking videos. Also, please subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click the link down below so you can get the full recipe and you can make these banana nut muffins for yourself. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.